Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with Marinemax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you an awesome new piece of inventory. This is a 2023 Crest Caribbean LX 230. This is one of their higher end boats. We're going to take a look at some of the features. This boat does have a Mercury 250 on the back of it, as well as a ski tow bar. That's going to push this boat across the water. You're going to be flying across the lake, and you can whip the kids off of a tube or whatever you guys are playing as well. This boat was optioned with the center walk-through dual helm setup, so these seats right here are going to be really nice for lounging, provide a ton of space for seating as well as storage underneath all of them as well. We do have our extra wide Crest seats here at the helm. These are really nice and comfortable for your passenger and driver whenever you're out there on the water. Here on our dash, we do have our Simrad. This is going to be your chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything that you guys are going to need, as well as our analog dials and our switches as well for everything on the boat, and then your throttle right there as well. This is an adjustable steering wheel, so you guys can be really comfortable whenever you are driving the boat. Finally, as we step forward into the bow, you can see we do have in-floor storage for your wakeboards or skis, whatever it may be, as well as our loungers set up here. Again, there's going to be storage underneath all of these, as well as recessed cup holders and speakers up here as well. This is an awesome boat. This is a Crest Caribbean 230 LX here at Marinemax Texas MasterCraft. Again, my name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.